This is Taylor Falls, Minnesota. Let's go do some hiking. They do have some bathrooms, informational booth, and it will cost $7 for the parking lot. Pretty neat. Looks like they're saying lava made some of this. Let's go check it out. Go swimming. All kinds of hiking. So cool. And it overlooks, that's the St. Croix River. This side of the river is Minnesota. That side of the river is Wisconsin. Crazy. This used to be lava at one time. Not this. This is man-made. That's not. Wow. We'll have to see if we can get down there. More of the river. Maybe we'll get lucky, see a boat. They used to cut the trees down and float them down the river. And that's where you could see the guys riding the logs down the river to control them. Oh wow. Oh look, there's the boat. So you can buy tickets and cruise up and down the river on the boat. It's supposed to look like an old paddle boat. Suppose if we jump, we can make it in the water. Let's not try. Look at how that tree is growing straight out of the rocks. That's amazing. Don't have the best shoes on. Sorry if it's shaky. Didn't bring the gimbal. Wasn't expecting to do this today, but I was lucky enough to be able to make it. So I thought I'd share. Let's see where these go. So beautiful. Yeah, if you got young kids, this is the place to wear them out. And it's Wednesday, August 20th, 2025 for me. So that's why there's not too many people here during a weekday. Look at that drop off. It's just all rock. I don't know if you can see the river. There's people up there. There he is in the white shirt. Say hello. You're on YouTube. Don't fall. It's quite a bit. You could probably go on the Wisconsin side. Looks like I can do all this too. Hello over there. If they only knew. They think they're out where nobody can see them, but there's a camera on them. Just shows you there's cameras everywhere. Oh, that's cool. Did you see what I seen? Oh, let's crawl over these rocks. Look at that. The bridge. Don't watch your head on that one. Look at that. See how the rocks stick out? Yeah, crawl. There we go. Beautiful. They say water would get in here and pool around or swirl around, and that's how these holes are made, supposedly. That's so cool. Oh, look, there's one of them. Wonder how deep it is. Sides of the rock, nice and smooth. Oh, this part got closed off. Was it flooded? One time you used to be able to go down there, but now it's full of water. Interesting.
And then what?
This is how people get hurt trying to film and go hiking. Oh wow, look at that. You can hike all the way to the top. You can hike all over this. Bring a picnic here. I might have to do that. I should have brought my lunch. I wasn't thinking. Could have brought the lunch. Sat down here. Had a little picnic. Oh yeah, you can jump right off of here. Water is dirty. Looks muddy. Probably can't see how tall this thing is, but it's tall. You can hike to the top. There's trails everywhere. You can definitely spend the day here and probably still not see it all. See what this looks like. Videotape yourself. It's another awkward thing. Another pool. That one looks dried up. Getting closer to the boat. We like boats. Another tree growing out of the rock. Just can't, the film or the camera doesn't show the 3D of the landscape. Definitely have the proper shoes. This rock's a little slick. Kind of grown out of the rocks. Another hole. Maybe the aliens made them. Wisconsin side. I bet you there's trails all over. Here's another look at the boat. Got seats on top, on the bottom. Pretty neat. More hiking paths. We'll head up this way. Go see what we can see. Let you look at the boat. So we walk away from it. Anybody understand him? So it looks like they allow rock climbing. Got some ropes. Chilling. They got rock climbing gear. That'd be neat. You can probably do this in tennis shoes. It'd be better if you had some hiking boots. There's that warning for the poison ivy. Hopefully that's not it. No. But you gotta be careful when you go out and off the paths. Absolute beautiful day. Go walking through the, guess you'd call it a forest. Good exercise. Beautiful views. Let's go see what that is. Something caught my eye. I think it's just a scarf or a little bag. Somebody's little bag. Should we be nosy, see what's in there? Interesting. Leave in the comments if you know what that might be. Beautiful. I don't know why people do that to the rock. No reason for graffiti. You always see it everywhere. Ah, that's a long ways down. We were down there earlier. Bunch of trees. If you're watching this and you're able to, get out, see what nature has to offer around your area. But if not, for some reason you can't, hopefully you can enjoy my videos. One of the reasons I like to make videos, show other people what's in my area. A lot of people out there, unfortunately, in wheelchairs or not able to walk correctly. I thank God I still can. The highest point area. Please stay on trail. That was the first time I seen one that said stay on trail. Maybe they don't want you getting poison ivy. Got a trail there, and a trail this way. Oh, we're back down to the parking lot. Nice. Got some water. Don't know if I drink from it, but some for the doggies. It is paid parking, $7. Or if you really want to walk, you can park in town. They got free parking around town. Got some picnic benches. Picnic benches. So it looks like they don't want people crossing because it's a highway to get across town. So there's a path right here. And you follow the path and it goes underneath the bridge to get over to the other side of town. So we'll go check it out. Definitely have to come back and take a boat tour when we have more time. But it looks like you can get on the boat down there too. But this is where you get your tickets to ride the boat. Taylor Falls Scenic Boat Tour. Golf cart's gonna try to run us over. Looks like they got a little restaurant. Can sit out on the patio, overlook the river. Here's that path to get to the other side, back into town. Got some benches. Cool. Nice little deck. Oh, nice. Look at this old bridge. Oh, you will stay. Cool. Oh, by the way, if you made it this far in the video, my name's Mike. If you can't tell by the description of the channel. I appreciate you watching this long. If you made it. If you're ever in Minnesota, definitely check out these sites. This is Taylor Falls. I might have to make another video. That's cool. More stairs. Stairs are not my friend, but they're good for you. Hi. She gave me the quick wave. She's probably like, don't film me. These stairs ain't bad. Huh? A lot of stairs. Alrighty. Where are we? The Battle of the St. Croix Falls. That's too bad. (1747 to 1793). So an Indian lived here. Imagine going back in time, seeing what it was like. I'm definitely not going back that way. We'll go this way. Down this alley. That's where I came up, all them stairs. That brings you out into town. It's a pretty neat little town. Up on the hill. I suppose that was probably their school back in the day. It's amazing how they still have the old houses here. It's like going back in time. Old ice cream makers. That 1919, that is some really, really good root beer. It's all over Minnesota. Ice cream shop. Well, I guess they didn't have all the old buildings. That one's gone. Whatever it was. Did you leave your drugs? Should we take one? See what kind of afternoon we have. The Goat Saloon. I had to show you this. This is the old train depot. It's on the side of a mountain. I think everything back in the day was a little tougher. Now it's a community center. There's the schoolhouse. Northern Pacific Depot. It's more of the town. Bridge to go over into Wisconsin. There's an old hotel still standing. Maybe we'll walk down there. Yep, old schoolhouse. 1852. Back then, these kids could really say they walked through snow and uphill both ways. As if they lived on the Wisconsin side. You know, go up the hill over there. Not sure what the old house is. This house is beautiful. Patio decks up there. Looks like what got demolished was the old inn. The Springs Inn. No longer there. Oh, check this out. That's something you don't see every day. I wonder if it works. Hello? 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 That was absolutely crazy. I don't hear nothing. These used to be around everywhere when I was little. This is the first time I've ever seen a radio. Oh, I wonder if somebody just put it here. Hello, hello? Huh. Oh, I broke it. Crazy. Well, if you made it this far, thanks again for clicking on the video and watching it. Look forward to seeing y'all on the next adventure. Until then, hope y'all have a good day.